أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربنا زدنا علما اللهم فقهنا في الدين آمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته يا أهل القرآن. I hope and pray that all are in the best state of health and iman. Ameen. Alhamdulillah. So today inshallah let's learn ayah number 26 to 29 of Surah Yasin inshallah. First I'll recite these ayahs. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم قيل ادخل الجنة قال يا ليت قومي يعلمون بما غفر لي ربي وجعلني من المكرمين وما أنزلنا على قومه من بعده من جند من السماء وما كنا منزلين إن كانت إلا صيحة واحدة فإذا هم صامدون. Alhamdulillah. So now inshallah let's learn tajweed ruling of these ayahs. First is ayah number 26 inshallah. قيل ادخل الجنة. Okay. قيل ادخل الجنة. Qaf is stretched for two haraka and don't pronounce as a qaf like kha. Okay. Many sisters are doing this mistake. Qa, kha. There is difference. Qaf is from the last part of your tongue and this kha, the scratching of throat kind of sound, is from the first part of your throat. Okay. You have to differentiate. Qila. Lam is connected to dal of this word udkhul and this hamzatul wasl is not read. Qila dkhulil jannah. Dal with the qalqala, that is bouncing its sound. Qila lad. Okay. It should not sound qilad. Lad is wrong. Qila dkhulil jannah. This kha has the kind of sound which you call as scratching of your throat like okay, but this qaf should not have that sound. Qila dkhulil jannah. Noon mushaddad to haraka gunna and this ta is ta marbuta. Okay, this is one ta and another is this round ta. Okay, when you stop at this round ta you should always convert this round ta into round ha. Okay, now while stopping you will not say jannat but you will say jannah ha at the end. Okay, inshallah. Qila dkhulil jannah. We are stopping here because there is a sign of waqf al mutlaq. Mutlaq means absolute stopping. You can stop at this point and you can continue from the next part of the ayah. Okay. قيل ادخل الجنة قال يا ليت قومي قال. Again this qaf, don't make it sound like a kha. Okay. قال يا ليت. Ya to count. Laita. It is not laita. La is wrong. Ya laita qawmi. Not qawmi. Qaw kind of sound. قومي to haraka. يا ليت قومي يعلمون. Ya ain must be clear. If you say ya'lamun then this word will become meaningless. It's not ya'lamun, it is ya'lamun. Ya'lamun. Okay, now you can stretch this waw maddiya for 2, 4 or 6 haraka. قيل ادخل الجنة ربي وجعلني من المكرمين. Bima, meme for 2 count. Don't just say Bima ghafarali. Bima ghafarali. Many sisters are making mistake in mad. Wherever there is mad tabai, where you have to stretch for 2 count, you're just stretching it for 1 haraka. That will be completely wrong. That can also cause lahn al jali, change in the meaning of the words. Bima ghafarali. Here 2 letters are heavy, ghain and ra. This fa is light. Sometimes what happens is when we are reciting 2 heavy letters and when a light letter comes in between those 2 heavy letters, we end up making that light letter also heavy. So you should be very careful. Don't say ghafar only. For is wrong. Ghafa, ghafa, ra. Ghafara. Gha, ra heavy, fa light, okay? Ghafarali. Ghafarali. You need a lot of practice to do this. Especially in the beginning, you will face problem. Later on, inshallah, it will be easy for you to pronounce these light letters, light with the heavy letters, okay? Ghafarali. Li, 2 count. Bima ghafarali rabbi. Ra heavy. Ba for 2 count again. Here there is Yamadiyya. Rabbi, Rabbi, waja'alani, waja'ala. All for 1 count. This noon for 2 haraka. And ayn must be clear. Don't say wajalani. Wajalani is wrong. Waja'alani. A must be clear, okay? Waja'alani minal mukramin. Minal, noon is connected to lam. Minal muk. See, this kaf is very crispier and it also should have a little air included while pronouncing it, like muk, okay? Or else it will sound mukramin, muk. See, the letter is not clear, right? To make it clear, we should do this hums where you have to continue your breath, that is, include the air while pronouncing this kaf. Minal mukramin. Ra is heavy. Mukramin. Bima ghafara li rabbi waja'alani minal mukramin. وما أنزلنا على قومه. وما, this is mad al jayz munfasil. Here you can stretch it. The actual mad, the stretching duration is 4 haraka or 5 haraka, okay? But you can make it 2 haraka as well, as this is a permissible mad. وما أنزلنا. Noon sakin followed by z. You have to do ikhfa there, hiding noon in the nasal cavity for 2 count. Anzalna. Anzalna. Okay, noon for 2 haraka. Anzalna ala. Ala. Ain clear. And lam for 2 count. Don't just say ala. Ala is wrong. Ala qawmihi. Qawmihi, not khami. Kha is wrong. Qawmihi. Qawmihi. This half for 2 haraka. Min ba'dihi. Noon sakin is followed by ba. You'll have to do iqlab. What is iqlab? Conversion. Where noon sakin will convert to this meme when there is ba after it. Okay, now you will not recite this noon, but you will recite this meme. You will not say min ba'dihi, but you will say mim. Okay, but by hiding that meme, just like how you do in ikhfa shafawi, mim ba'dihi, 2 count gunna. Mim ba'dihi. Ba'dihi. Ain is clear. It should not sound badihi. Badihi is wrong. Ba'dihi. Half or 2 haraka. Min jundin. Noon sakin followed by jim. You must do ikhfa. Noon sakin followed by dal. Even here you'll have to do ikhfa. Ikhfa means hiding noon in nasal cavity for 2 count, inshallah. min jundin. Now tanween is followed by mim, 2 haraka gunna, idgham ma'al gunna. Min jundin minas samai. Minas samai. This noon is connected to seen now. Hamzatul wasl and lam shamsiya is not read. Minas samai. 4 haraka, and this mad is also due to hamza, just like this mad. Even this is due to hamza, but here the huruf al mad is in one word, hamza is in separate word. But here after this huruf al maddiya, alif maddiya, hamza is in the same word, right? So there are 2 mads due to hamza. Actually there are 3. Mad al sila kubra is similar to mad al jaiz munfasil. So we'll discuss 2 mad which are due to hamza, where alif maddiya, waw maddiya, ya maddiya or any madul asli is followed by hamza in separate word is jaiz munfasil. If it is followed with hamza in same word, then it is wajib muttasil. Wajib means mandatory. You have to stretch this for minimum 4 haraka. Okay. Minas samai. 2 seconds. Stretching it for 2 seconds. Minas samai wa ma kunna. Wa ma. 2 haraka. Wa ma kunna. This noon mushaddad will be pronounced with gunna for 2 haraka and is also stretched for 2 haraka. Why we are stretching it? Because of this alif maddiya. Okay, 2 haraka for gunna, 2 haraka for stretching. So just to pronounce this noon alif, you need minimum 4 haraka with you, that is 2 seconds. Kunna, kunna. Okay, wama kunna munzilin. Noon sakin followed by za, do ikhfa there. And this ya madhiya is stretched for 2 haraka, 4 haraka or 6 haraka inshallah. وما أنزلنا على قومه من بعده من جند من السماء وما كنا منزلين إن كانت إلا صيحة واحدة. إن كانت, here it is just like how you say ink in English. Ikhfa means to hide, right? Even there in word ink, you will not recite the noon clearly, right? This is ink, and you don't say ink. You don't pronounce noon clearly, but you will just say ink, right? Same thing even here. Ikhfa is very easy. Ink. Okay, but the gunna here is for 2 haraka. In kanat. Okay, kanat. This ta with sakin must be pronounced with hums. In kanat. Okay, illa mushaddad, you'll first have to emphasize it, then also you have to stretch it. Okay, in kanat illa sayhatan, not say. Say is wrong. This is sad, huruf al musta'aliya, which is heavy letter. You have to make it heavy, and also it has a whistling sound. Soy, not say. Soy, heaviness. Sayhatan. This ha is very sharp from the middle part of your throat. Sayhatan wahidatan. Sayhatan. Idgham ma'al gunna. Taw. See how I'm holding it sound in nasal cavity for 2 count. Sayhatan wahidatan. Wa, 2 haraka. He very sharp. Make sure to pronounce both this ha very sharply. It should not sound sayhatan. Ha is wrong. Wahidatan is wrong. Okay, sayhatan wahidatan. واحدة فإذا واحدة فإذا إخفاء is done here. فإذا no whistling sound or buzzing sound in letter dal. If you say فإذا, then this word will become meaningless. You must say فإذا the, not za. Okay. فَإِذَا هُمْ. This ha is very blunt. You can say there is no sharpness in this ha. This ha comes from the last part of your throat, which is nearer to your chest region. While you pronounce this ha, the whole chest region vibrates. Ha, ha. Okay, but this ha is not like that. It should be very sharp. صَيْحَةً وَاحِدَةً. But this ha is completely different. It is just like ha in the word home, house, okay, in English, but still not so easy. It should be coming out from the last part of your throat. Hum, okay. فَإِذَا hum. Mim sakin with no gunna, just pronounce it clearly with izhar. Hum khamidun, not khamidun. Kha is wrong. Kha is huruf al musta'aliya, full mouth letter. You'll have to elevate the back portion of your tongue to make the heaviness. Kha, not kha. And also don't make it so heavy like kha is wrong. Kha. It should sound bit like ah, okay? Khamidun. I hope it is clear. Alhamdulillah. إن كانت إلا صيحة واحدة فإذا هم خامدون. Alhamdulillah, we have completed learning. So now inshallah let's recite. I'm going to turn your mics on. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
قيل ادخل الجنة. قيل ادخل الجنة. قال يا ليت قومي يعلمون.
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 بما غفر لي ربي وجعلني من المكرمين.
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 وما أنزلنا على قومه من بعده.
وما أنزلنا على قومه
وما أنزلنا على قومه من بعده. من بعده من جند من السماء.
من بعده من جند من السماء.
من السماء وما كنا منزلين
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 إن كانت إلا صيحة واحدة فإذا هم خامدون
إن كانت إلا صيحة واحدة فإذا
إن كانت إلا صيحة واحدة فإذا هم خامدون
إن كانت إلا صيحة واحدة فإذا خامدون
قيل ادخل الجنة
قيل ادخل الجنة
قال يا ليت قومي يعلمون
قال يا ليت قومي يعلمون
بما غفر لي ربي وجعلني من المكرمين
بما غفر لي ربي وجعلني من المكرمين
وما أنزلنا على قومه من بعده
وما أنزلنا على قومه
من بعده من جند من السماء وما كنا منزلين
من بعد جنود من السماء وما كنا منزلين
إن كانت إلا صيحة واحدة فإذا هم خامدون
إن كانت إلا صيحة
Alhamdulillah, Barakallahu feekum. You all recited it very well, mashallah. The same way you'll recite it tomorrow. Barakallahu feekum. Alhamdulillah. Any doubts in these ayahs? No? Fine. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun wa salamun ala al-mursaleen walhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakumullahu khairan.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. جزاك الله خير.
وأنتم فجزاكم الله خيرا.